Hello YouTube, it's your girl, Quani, and welcome to my channel, Quani Covers, where Quani cover various aspects of entertainment. And in today's aspect, we're going to be reacting to a boy group called And Team, which is under the label Hybe, and the music video is called Firework. So a brief introduction: And Team is a group that was formed under Hybe labels through a reality survival show called And Howling, where they had to compete, and did a lot of tests and dance covers, song covers to overall determine who was going to debut as a group. And this includes past contestants of the popular show Island that we got an iPhone from. So contestants like Haki, EJ, and Nicholas would be a part of this team. They did come up with their debut months ago, so this would be their first official comeback, I believe. So we're going to be checking out this video today. Now, do not forget, you can follow me on my social media. It is all Quani Covers. You can also DM me your suggestions on what you want me to watch next on my Instagram. And do not forget to check out the playlist on my channel with the other content I do, such as commentary, reviews, vlogs, and live streaming with the Valkyries of Arcadia. All I'm asking you to do is remember to like, comment, and share. It really does help the channel. Now let's get into it. Okay, he's got two people up on the bed, two down here. Is that one girl in the middle of all of these boys? Is this a Wattpad theme story? I would be so nervous to be sleeping around so many boys.
Firework 高鳴ることは止まらないどんな旅だろうといいんだこの胸が叫び今すぐ君に会いたい
Becky!
あの空駆け抜ける色とりどりのフレーム君も見ているなら I know that we feel the same 共に走り出そう降り注ぐ光は願い込めたシュールと君を探していた Light me up まるでマジック You and I 忘れない目と目が合った瞬間 Bang bang 空に咲いた Firework 確かでバク転とした期待を確かにした君との出会いが
Wait, who is that with the freckles? I don't recall any one of them having freckles like that.
教えてくれた僕は一人じゃないと I know in love ざわめく胸の理由 I know in alive 夏の夜が僕に落としたメロディー届かせもう一度火をつける君と僕が僕へ変わってく今重なり合う声 夜になる
Oh wow, how comes I'm just seeing K all of this envy? Have I been missing him?
花びら照らす君の姿を僕はただ見ていた Light me up まるで magic You and I 恐れない君と出会った瞬間 Bang bang 空に咲いた Firework I No going back 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 踏み出す Running so fast 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 後悔なんてしたくない絶対 Tonight あの夜空に届けたい一人じゃ届かないでも僕らは We wanna burn Firework Oh 降り注ぐ光は願い込めたシューリソー君を探していた Light me up まるでマジック You and 혼란 inside the firework.
This was actually a really good song. It's giving me the feels of their first song, the debut song, in terms of the production. Wow. She's in the middle of all those hormone teenagers. Were they pretending? Wait, were they imagining? Oh, okay, she's real. But there's one guy that's on her mind, and it's none of you guys. Is that Kay? You're the one. You're the one I want to be with. But I'm a werewolf. I don't mind. What? Is this Twilight? What is going on with this? What is this concept? Okay, so far they're not failing me with the production of their songs. Like, you should hear how the song sounds in my headset. It's produced so smoothly. It's just how do I describe how the sound of the song is? It's just perfect. It just sounds so clean. It was mixed and mastered beautifully. Like the output, the playback, it's just really nice. It's so nice. In terms of the song itself, outside of the production, it was a really good song. It's just a feel-good song, not complicated. It's not necessarily anything I've not heard before. It sounds like a sound I've heard before. It sounds very boy band. Would I say 2000s? Something about it just sounds very familiar, like I've just heard this before. Well, it sounds good though. It sounds good to me. It's just one of those songs to put on your playlist and turn you up a little, you know. Oh, I can't sing the lyrics because I don't know Japanese. Anyway, they did a good job. I think this was good. They're like TXT organically just gathered fans and kept proving themselves each comeback, and they've been just steadily going up. That's what I'm getting from this team. It's like they didn't come out and just blow up like New Jeans, for example, but it's like they're gonna be going on a steady growth once they keep consistent with the productions and the sounds they've had so far. All of the title tracks I've heard have been really good. I've really enjoyed them. Anyway, that is my thoughts for today's video, and do not forget to like the video if you enjoyed my honest reaction and opinions, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.